Okay, assignment 1, presentation learning objectives. By the end of this presentation, participants will be able to 1. Know what mind mapping is, its uses, and who originated the technique. 2. Read a mind map, be able to read a mind map as well. 3. Use mind mapping in note-taking to enhance knowledge retention on any topic. And finally, 4. Feel empowered and confident to use mind mapping to aid in personal, academic, or professional learning. That is a fairly tall order on that last one especially, but let's start with knowing what mind mapping is, its uses. Mind mapping is a form of note-taking. Oh my god, you're actually filming me. Okay.
Yeah, but you're wearing your makeup so nice.
No,
You're dressed for the camera.
visual associated
No, but you
tool.
are.
We know that mind mapping, it's easy to remember something when you have imagery associated with it, regardless of your learning style. So, what can you use mind mapping? Well, mind mapping for, I just mentioned that you can use it for note-taking. You can use it for brainstorming. You can use it for, as I already mentioned, a visual associative tool. Who originated mind mapping? Mind mapping was originated by a man by the name of Buzan, Tony Buzan.
And video is not about being
70s, I believe, and
it's actually being about being imperfect.
called it mind mapping. He actually has a copyright on this.
You'd be surprised how good you are.
This tool.
Once you
Now,
start.
let's start with a mind mapping exercise, shall we? How does one
Is
do
that
a
what you're
mind
going to
map?
use? You can use mine if you want.
You start with a topic and
It's just a camera.
any topic you would like. Let's say, think of something. What topic do you like?
On the camera.
A topic, English literature.
Okay, so in the middle, we write
It comes
English
with the iPhone. The
lit.
reason why yours doesn't have it is because the camera,
Okay.
the phone doesn't.
We write it in the middle of the page because just like your brain
No, because you don't have a camera
sees
in the
things,
iPod yet.
you put things in the middle and then branch out rather than putting things in a list. And we take it and then we, instead of doing straight linear lines
Yeah,
out,
one.
we do little curvy lines to the next topic. Now, English literature, when I think English literature, the first thing that comes to mind is
So is this just my
Shakespeare.
stop and start?
So you write down,
Don't worry about
I hope
where
I'm,
is the Bible and all that stuff.
my spellings here, Shakespeare.
What about zooming?
There's an E at the end,
Don't
right?
worry about the Zoom either. I mean, do this.
And like so. And
Stay
then
as
from
far
here,
as you can.
we would actually use maybe some sort of, what's that?
2 minutes are up.
2 minutes are up?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm
We'll keep going.
I'm not gonna see.
Oh, can we keep going? Okay, so you would actually
No, I wouldn't do that. Hold it up like that and it'll be okay.
English literature. Now, you would use, again, you use single words as opposed to, I'm drawing a book just for the hell. This is supposed to be a book, but this will remind me. This is an image in my mind. I would use symbols and associate symbols to these text words and don't use complete sentences, but rather single words, triggers that would link the subject matter to the text that I had already studied, and this serves as a mnemonic, serves to trigger the memory of the learned material. And then from Shakespeare, who I get Macbeth,
What is it? How can I do it?
and so forth.
Tell me that.
Right now, in Macbeth, other things I get from here, and again, I'm trying not to do straight lines. I'm doing squiggly lines because nothing is really linear in the mind. And I think Hamlet, right? And I forget how to spell. Forgive my poor writing. And then, what do I think of Hamlet? I think, what do you think when you think of Hamlet? I think of characters in Hamlet.
I think Ophelia. Ophelia.
Ophelia,
Yeah.
right? For some reason, I think of castles. I don't know why. Maybe because of the time period. So, I start drawing a little castle, right? Just it doesn't have to be. You don't have to be an artist to do this. You can even draw stick figures, right? Romeo and Juliet, right? I just put Romeo. Why do I need Juliet, right? And so forth, right? And as you build this mind map, it would actually help you. All these single words would help link these words and pictures would help link the information to trigger the memory, to trigger the information, to trigger what you have in your mind that you've already studied and that sort of thing. And there are software available to actually, let's try it again, shall we? And there you go, here we have, there's our objectives again. And you actually do have, software where you can start linking, like so. And this software, you would go, I just use this add branch as child. And as you can see, the software actually does a curved line into the next. When you think cat, what do you think of? I think of the word furry.
Yeah, 'cause it was a bit awkward, because
and so forth. What else do I think of when I think cat? Where was it again? Link, add branch, right? I think
9 lives.
9 lives.
That's all fine.
9 lives.
Precisely one.
And I would take this, and I could even move it around.
Yeah. Since the format
Like
is
so.
fine,
This I would put in the middle. There's cat, 9 lives. Furry, what other qualities of a cat? Maybe there's even,
Varieties of cat, like Himalayan or Persian or
okay, Persian. And gradually, as we do this, we start to visualize all these aspects of the animal in question, and so on and so on. And we can add pictures and all that sort of thing, and this actually helps us. However, the mind mapping software does aid in this exercise, but is no substitute for physically writing this down. Because the act of actually writing it
So we'll take it out a little bit,
aids
and then you can kind of, when she gets to the part where she starts describing it,
in
then
the
maybe you can
recall,
slide it in and you can
as
introduce it,
opposed
so
to
it's not
having
just
static.
beside you that we're all going, well, is that there?
I think we're way above